Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Living Large on Lifetime, and it's time for another Wednesday Weekly. Today we're talking about movement. Move it and love it. How to find physical activity that helps you feel good. Not always a favorite subject for a lot of people, though. Let's just dive right in and find the secret. So the secret to moving and loving it is finding instant gratification. For example, taking a walk to clear your head or bike riding because it's fun will actually get you out the door faster than if you focus on doing it for health reasons or for your weight loss goals. So the power of pleasure when it comes to getting people moving isn't just theory, it's behavior science. People who move because they liked it and liked the way that they made them feel clocked up to 32% more physical activity than those whose goals included weight loss or health. So the trick is just to focus on your immediate gratification. Don't pressure yourself into doing something because you should. Do the movement because you actually want to, because it feels good in the moment. We've been talking a lot about cues, behaviors, and rewards and how to create a habit. So one way that you can actually make movement a more regular part of your day is to make it a habit. It's easier to make moving more of a habit when you do something that you already enjoy. Again, focus on the power of pleasure and the instant gratification, not just because it's good for you or you want to lose weight. Do it for the instant gratification. So pick a day and time, maybe. So you're going to start swimming, for example. Pick a day and time that you can swim each week. Set a calendar invite on your phone, and the ding or the invite is your cue. That's the first step in creating a behavior, is creating a cue. The ding on your phone is the cue to head to the pool, change your swimsuit, and paddle away, which is the behavior. So you have the cue, which is the alarm on your phone. The behavior is the swimming, and the reward is that wonderfully refreshed feeling, the instant gratification you get when you go swimming. So that's how you, again, create a habit. Create a cue, do the behavior, and then get your reward. So this week's inspiration from a member comes from Carrie from North Carolina. Carrie joined in 2017 for her second time. She said she plans and makes time for activities so she can guarantee that it will happen. Her favorite saying is, "We can and we will." So Carrie's motivating moves, what she likes. In nice weather, she enjoys walking the neighborhood. I like the treadmill and the elliptical, but jumping on the trampoline with my kids is fun too. Start smart. My entire day goes better when I take 30 to 60 minutes first thing in the morning to move more. I usually prefer to be active alone so I can use that time to think and reflect. It really does clear my mind to start the day fresh. Mood booster. If I've had a rough day, spin class is fun. I go and spin it off. I enjoy taking step classes to get pumped up or a yoga class to calm down. Joining my local gym has paid off in so many ways. I have a variety of activities to choose from. Knowing that I accomplished something I set out to do feels great too. So her long-term perks, I can do things I never thought I'd do. I thought I wasn't a runner at all, but I ran my first 5K and I'm training and motivating myself for a local half marathon. I've started to enjoy taking care of my mind and body. After all, I only get one. That is so true. So true. So the next page talks about how to find your I love this moves. So using these steps will help you get moving. First of all, take a minute to visualize how you want to feel the next time you're active. Do you want to feel calm? Do you want to feel energized? Do you want to feel empowered? Do you want to feel engaged? And then use the menu on the next page to pinpoint the feeling that resonates for you and the activity that you can do to obtain that feeling. So here's our feel-good activity menu. Okay, so for example, I actually circled my preferences here. So for example, if you want to feel calm, then you should try walking, hiking, or yoga. If you want to feel energized, try biking, the 7-minute workout, which is apparently an app or an online workout, or running if you want to feel energized. If you want to feel strong, try Pilates, weight training, or bar class. If you want to feel refreshed, try swimming or stretching. If you want to feel happy, try dancing, the trampoline, or Zumba. If you want to feel empowered, do kickboxing, team sports, or again, the 7-minute workout. And if you want to feel relaxed, try yoga, Tai Chi, or stretching. My goals, honestly, most of the time these days is just to feel relaxed and calm. Occasionally I do want to feel energized. So for energized, I did check that one off. And if I want to feel energized, I should go running. I haven't felt much like running lately. Hopefully that will come back to me. For wanting to be calm and relaxed, the suggestions are walking, which I try to do every day, yoga, which I love and I miss, and Tai Chi, which I've always wanted to take Tai Chi classes. So I would really like to look into some more yoga and some Tai Chi. And again, we're looking at the activity that fits best for how you want to feel when you do your activity. I want to feel calm and relaxed. What about you guys? So choose one of the suggested activities in the menu above or come up with your own that's going to deliver the feeling that you're looking for. Remember, that instant gratification that we're looking for is what's going to keep us motivated and on track with the activity that we choose. And then you need to make a plan to do the activity the next time you'll be active. So use the 4 W's to create your plan. Your 4 W's is what you'll do, when you'll do it, where you'll do it, and who you'll do it with. So when you actually physically make a plan, what, when, where, and with who, then you're more likely to follow through. And actually visualize this plan and write it down in your planner if you have one, or put it in your calendar on your phone. So you visualize feeling more relaxed as your payoff. You pinpoint that activity on the menu. You choose yoga, and then your plan may be something like this. To feel more relaxed, I'll try a yoga class at 3 p.m. Sunday afternoon at my local community center with my sister. That covers the what, when, where, and with whom. So think about what your instant gratification is. What feeling do you want to get from your workout or from your movement? Think about that. Choose an activity that corresponds with that feeling, and then implement it. Put your activity into action by using the behavior setting that we talked about previously. Making a cue, doing the behavior, and then getting your reward. So the next page is a recipe for individual apple cinnamon pies. Those look pretty good. I'll put this recipe in the description box down below if you guys are interested in making it. It is 5 smart points per pie, and it makes 8 pies. And then the next to last page is just thoughts on my meeting. And that is it, an ad for Flat Out. I used to really actually like Flat Out, but Flat Out is 2 smart points per flatbread. And to me, it tastes a little kind of cardboardy. And Olay Extreme Wellness Wraps are 1 smart point per wrap, and they taste more like a real like wheat tortilla to me. So that's why I prefer Olay Extreme Wellness Wraps. I also like Joseph's pitas, which are 1 smart point, but I like those toasted in the air fryer for pita chips. So anyway, little off topic there. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Move it, love it. Here's how you want to find ways to incorporate exercise into your daily routine and keep it up. If you want to maintain the activity over the long term, you need to find something that produces immediate gratification for the way that you're looking to feel. Do you exercise because you want to feel strong? Then you should probably lift weights. Do you exercise because you want to relax, like I do? Then you should go for a walk or do yoga. Think first of all about the feeling that you're trying to accomplish from the activity, then do the appropriate activity. And don't forget about creating a habit. First of all, create a cue. So write it in your planner, set an alarm on your phone. Once the cue goes off, do the behavior, which is the movement, and then boom, get your instant gratification, your reward, which is feeling awesome. Thanks so much for listening, you guys. If you have any questions, or if you want to talk about what your favorite activity is and how it makes you feel, please let me know down below. what's the feeling you're going for and what activity provides that for you. Thanks so much, guys. I will see you next time, next week, for another weekly Wednesday. Wednesday weekly. Weekly on Wednesday. Bye.